Here's where you can go to find this feature known as tap duration and make changes to the settings. And this is for Samsung phones with One UI 8.0. To try it out, go into the quick access and tap on the settings option right here. Now with all that said and done, use the search option here as the fastest way to find this feature. You're gonna go ahead and type in the words tap duration, as you can see here, tap duration. And when you do this, you'll see the suggestion. Once you see it, tap on it one time and it'll show you where to go next. If you are using this for the very first time, it'll ask you to set it up. So for me, usually at default, it would be the 0.1 seconds. And of course, make sure you turn this on so that it can have this work all the time, okay? But before you do that, make sure you do try it out to see which one works best for you and whether or not you want to keep this feature. So right now it's off, and you can try it out first. And 0.1 meaning to say you have to leave your finger to tap interact for past more than 0.1, okay? And then it's gonna say tap recognize, okay? But let's just say I set it to like 0.3 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. And you'll notice if I quickly release it, it's gonna show me that it's wrong, okay? So it has to be 0.3 or more. All right, so I'll hold it down and it's gonna say tap recognize. That was a moth. All right, so once you're done and you feel like this is the right one for you, go ahead and press done, and that's gonna save it as that. And of course you can leave it on to save it as that if you do decide to keep it that way, all right? And that's that for this guide here. Like and sub.